Carbohydrates are one of the three macronutrients that our bodies need to function properly. They are the primary source of our energy for our cells, tissue, and the organ. But not all carbohydrates are created equal. Carbohydrates are the molecule made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atom, with the general formula is CnH2OM. They can be classified into three main types, that is simple carbohydrate, complex carbohydrate, and the dietary fibers. Simple carbohydrates are made up of one or two sugar molecule. Carbohydrates which is made up of single sugar known as monosaccharide, which are the building blocks of more complex carbohydrate. Examples include glucose, fructose, and galactose. When two monosaccharides bond together, they form a disaccharide. One of the most well-known disaccharide is table sugar, also known as sucrose. It is made up of glucose and fructose. Another common disaccharide is lactose, which is found in the milk. It is made up of glucose and galactose. And one more double sugar is maltose, which is found in the sprouting seeds. Simple carbohydrates are found in the natural sources such as fruits, vegetables, and the milk. But they can also be found in the processed foods such as candy, soda, and the baked good. Simple carbohydrate quickly digested and absorbed in the bloodstream, leading to a rapid spike in blood sugar level. Now coming to the complex carbohydrate. Complex carbohydrates are made up of long chain of sugar molecule and are often referred to as starches. Examples include bread, rice, pasta, and potatoes. Oligosaccharide and polysaccharide are the complex carbohydrate. Oligosaccharides are the carbohydrate made up of few simple sugar, typically between 3 to 10 molecules. They can be found in the food like beans, lentil, and certain fruits. The most important oligosaccharides are raffinose and stachyose. Raffinose is a trisaccharide which is made up of galactose, glucose, fructose, and it can be found in Brussels sprout, vegetable, and whole grain. And on the other hand, stachyose is found in the beans. Polysaccharides are the carbohydrate made up of many simple sugars. They are often referred to as a complex carbohydrate because they take longer time to digest and provide a slower and sustained release of energy. One example of polysaccharide is glycogen, which is a storage form of glucose in the animal. It is found in the liver and muscles and is broken down into glucose when the body needs energy. Starch is another example of polysaccharide, and it is a storage form of glucose in the plants. It can be found in the food like potatoes, rice, and wheat. Coming to the last type of carbohydrate, that is fiber, which includes soluble and insoluble fiber. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that cannot be digested by the human body. But these soluble and insoluble fiber have their own benefits. Cellulose and non-polysaccharide lignin are the types of insoluble fiber. Cellulose is the main constituent of the plant cell wall, so it is found in all vegetables, fruits, and legumes. On the other hand, lignin is a tough woody part of the plant. Talking about the soluble fiber, it includes hemicellulose, pectin, gum, mucilage, and beta-glucan. Pectin are abundant in vegetables and fruit, especially citrus fruits and apple. Pectin are used to thicken jelly and jam. On the other hand, mucilage is a gelatinous solution from the plant's roots and seeds, and it is used in the medicine and adhesive. And the gums are the waste product of the plants that are secreted through the bark of the trees, and it is readily dissolved in the water. Whereas mucilage form a slimy masses. These all are the most abundant organic compound on the earth and is important source of fiber in our diet. The soluble fiber found in the oat bran, barley, and some fruits and vegetables which tend to absorb water and slow down the digestion. And on the other side, the insoluble fiber in whole grain, nuts, seeds, and fruit with a skin and certain vegetables can bulk up the stool and help it pass through the intestine faster. Finally, we can see that both the types of carbs give the energy to our body. Simple carbohydrates provide short bursts of energy which leads to a quick rise in blood sugar level, while complex carbohydrates take longer time to digest, leading to a slower and more sustained release of glucose into the bloodstream. Complex carbohydrates are also rich source of fiber which can help to regulate digestion, promote feeling of fullness and reduce the risk of certain diseases such as heart disease and the diabetes. So whether you are reaching for a slice of bread or a bowl of oatmeal, understanding the different types of carbohydrate can help you make a healthier choice and keep your body fueled and energized. Thank you so much for watching till the end. See you soon in my next video.